Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service on the Lufthansa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the little chat sign at the top of the page on the right next to the bell, and click on contact. And here you can see three options, so just click on the first contact form, and here you can choose from which problem or topic you want to get feedback and help, and they will help you. So you can, for example, choose travel experience, and you can leave your feedback or your question here. And of course you have to give your name, your first, your last name, your email address, your email address again, and your street name, your zip code, your city, and of course your country, your country's code, your area's code if you have one, and just add yourself as a customer and they can contact you. Oh, and of course if you already booked a flight, then the ticket number or the booking reference, and this will help them contact you very quickly. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.